Rhinos. Majestic, ancient creatures that have roamed the earth for millions of years. With their massive bodies and powerful presence, they're one of nature's most iconic animals. But today, these gentle giants face a threat unlike any they have encountered before. A threat that could wipe them off the face of the earth forever. The survival of rhinos depends on our understanding of why they're essential to the ecosystem, and why their extinction would mean so much more than just the loss of an animal. Rhinos are more than just a symbol of strength. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their environment. By grazing, rhinos prevent certain plants from overtaking other species, allowing a variety of vegetation to thrive. Their feeding habits create open areas for other animals to live, from smaller mammals to birds. In this way, rhinos shape the landscape, helping biodiversity to flourish. Rhinos are also essential for maintaining the health of the soil. Their droppings fertilize the land, enriching it and making it possible for other plants to grow, which supports a variety of other species. But despite their importance, rhinos are facing an alarming crisis. They're being hunted to the brink of extinction. Poaching, driven by the demand for rhino horns, is the biggest threat to their survival. Rhino horn is falsely believed to have medicinal properties, and in some cultures, it's seen as a symbol of wealth and status. This belief fuels a black market that has driven rhino populations down at a devastating rate. In just the past century, we've lost 90% of the rhino population. The Javan rhino is now virtually extinct, and the Sumatran rhino is critically endangered. The northern white rhino has only 2 known survivors, both females, making their extinction all but certain.
But there is hope. Protected wildlife reserves, anti-poaching patrols, and even rhino dehorning programs aim to reduce the incentives for poaching. Conservationists are working to rebuild populations in secure environments where rhinos can live free from the constant threat of poaching, but these efforts require funding, awareness, and global cooperation. Saving rhinos isn't just about saving one species. It's about preserving entire ecosystems and protecting the delicate balance of nature. If rhinos disappear, many other species will suffer. You can help. Whether it's donating to trusted conservation organizations, spreading awareness on social media, or supporting laws and policies that protect wildlife, every action counts. Education is key. By teaching future generations about the importance of rhinos, we can build a future where these animals continue to roam the earth. The fight to save rhinos isn't over yet, but time is running out. We have the power to change their fate. If we act now, we can ensure that future generations will know the beauty and importance of rhinos. These magnificent creatures have been a part of this planet for millions of years. It's up to us to protect them for millions more. Together, we can save rhinos. Together, we can protect our planet's biodiversity. The world is a better place when we protect the creatures that share it with us.
Rhinos, or rhinoceroses, are among the most ancient creatures on Earth, with a lineage stretching back roughly 50 million years. They belong to the family Rhinocerotidae and are part of a broader group of odd-toed ungulates, which includes horses and tapirs. Their evolutionary story begins in the Eocene epoch, a time when early ancestors like Hyraceus roamed the Earth. These small, hornless mammals were more reminiscent of modern tapirs and lived in forested environments. Over millions of years, rhinos evolved into larger and more diverse species, adapting to changing climates and landscapes. During the Oligocene epoch, around 30 to 25 million years ago, some of the largest land mammals ever to exist appeared. One remarkable example is Paraceratherium, a hornless giant that could reach heights of 16 feet at the shoulder and weigh up to 20 tons. This immense creature roamed the grasslands and woodlands of Asia, feeding on leaves from tall trees. As the Miocene epoch began around 23 million years ago, rhinos diversified even further. Species with one or more horns started to emerge, which may have been used for defense, mating displays, or competition among males. These adaptations helped them thrive in various environments, from dense forests to open grasslands. The Pleistocene epoch, often referred to as the Ice Age, brought the emergence of the woolly rhino, Coelodonta antiquitatus. This cold-adapted species was covered in thick fur and had a large, curved horn, perfectly suited for the harsh, icy climates of Europe and Asia. Woolly rhinos coexisted with other megafauna like mammoths and early humans. Depictions of woolly rhinos have been discovered in prehistoric cave art, indicating that they played a significant role in the lives and imaginations of early Homo sapiens. Unfortunately, the end of the Ice Age saw the extinction of many large mammals, including the woolly rhino, likely due to a combination of climate change and overhunting by humans. Today, there are 5 surviving species of rhinos: the black rhino, white rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Each faces significant challenges, primarily due to human activity. Habitat loss and poaching have drastically reduced their numbers. In particular, the Javan and Sumatran rhinos are critically endangered, with fewer than 100 individuals of each species remaining in the wild. Rhinos are targeted for their horns, which are made of keratin, the same substance as human fingernails, but are falsely believed to have medicinal properties in some cultures. Despite international bans on the trade of rhino horn, illegal poaching continues to threaten their survival. The conservation of rhinos has become a global effort. Organizations and governments work tirelessly to protect their habitats, enforce anti-poaching laws, and raise awareness about the plight of these ancient animals. Captive breeding programs have also been established to help bolster wild populations.